bananas in my garden.
Are you okay, Boo Boo? I want to show Tanya. Are you okay? You want to stay here in my room? Look at you, you're so dirty. I wish I could give you a shower, Boo Boo. Boo Boo? I wish I could give you a shower. What is it? What is it, Boo Boo? You look scared. What is it? Stay here if you want to stay here. Okay then. Alright. Okay. If you want to stay here, it's alright. Okay?
I don't know what it is with me. It's never been deliberate, but I always found myself going against the current. For example, everybody goes minimalist and white color, gray, and whatnot, and I go for rich and dark brown and many things going on in my house or my interior. Those are the new curtains that I just bought online. Thank God, instead of always having to go to the curtain shop to choose and measure. So that is solved. So I'm very relieved because I am a very practical person, but of course with taste. So that is done. I'm very happy.
Good morning, guys. Today is Friday. It's almost noon. It is very unusual that I woke up early today and exercised and took a shower and then had my breakfast and then just watched some YouTube. And now I'm going to share with you on making the pouch of the bamboo straws that I still have the stock of. I made like 100 pieces, so now I would like to put them in a pouch, in an individual pouch, so that I could always gift it as a souvenir from this villa to my bed and breakfast guests. Hopefully I have a lot of bed and breakfast guests, but whatever, this is just a little souvenir from my villa to them. All right, so I'm going to share with you because I'm making it up along the way. It's not like I know how to sew. It's just I'm going to be creative and then making it. I did already with the ribbon that I use as a pouch, but now this time I'm adding the lining inside because with that kind of material, I forgot now, it's not jute. Anyway, it loosens the whatever of that material. So now I need to add the lining. All right, so let's hope it succeeds because I never did it before. Material for the lining, the ribbon for the pouch itself, they come like this. I just received online, and the measurement of my bamboo straw, which is 20 centimeters, two kinds of threads that I would like to use, and big scissors, small scissors, needles, and this one to help me to thread the needle. And that's it. That's about all. This one I cut 51 centimeters. All right, so that we could put it like that, and then like that. All right, so I need to cut this now to line it inside. So now I just have to sew the seam here or the edge. Then you put the bamboo inside like that, put the bamboo inside like that, and then you close. I like to use the old-fashioned button. If I could get that, I'll get that too. Okay, so now I have to make a different kind of stitch for the seam or for the edge. There. For this, I use white thread just to balance with this white lace. All right. Ta-da! Done. There, see? Now I need two old-fashioned buttons here. Then we're going to make it like that. Okay. There. But this one, see? But I like to tie here with a ribbon and a thank you. With a ribbon and a thank you tag card. Little tag card.
So this is just an example of how I'm doing it. But actually I wanted to show you the buttons, but how sturdy it looks. This is a previous pouch from the last batch, but as you can see, it's not lined, so you can see the edges are loosened up, which is not good. And instead of tag card, I use my name card and then just write thank you behind it.
I applied the two old-fashioned hooks like buttons. Okay, so I use two instead. I prefer it's more solid and firm. All right. Good Sunday morning. Today it's already noontime, exactly sharp, and I'm just going to have my breakfast in the room. I had to switch on the light because it's dark since it is drizzling outside. Actually, it's raining. So I prepared myself a dragon fruit, oatmeal with granola and bananas, and just butter and jam later, and cappuccino. So that's my breakfast. Actually, it's my brunch, it's not breakfast. I'm having this now, almost finished, then I'll have my oatmeal. So how are you this morning? Hope you had a lovely weekend or going to have lovely Sunday. Dragon fruit tastes like water but a little bit sweetened, so it's not that very plain taste, just a little bit sweetened. And if you accustom your palate with that, then it's enough. You don't need to put honey or syrup or sugar on it. Just by itself it's enough, especially to start with in the morning. Finish oatmeal, porridge, and granola over it. I slept all night, which is what I needed. Well, I fell asleep only after 2:30 a.m. but I need to train myself to sleep earlier from now on and have a full good night's sleep. And this oatmeal, I didn't even need to put syrup or maple syrup or honey or date syrup. Just put a banana. It covers your craving for sweetness. You probably wonder how I make my oatmeal in the bedroom without going out of the room whatsoever. I'll show you. Electric pan. This is the pan. It's so simple. Just put the milk and the oatmeal and the banana. This is icing sugar. I'm going to fry some eggs later. I don't have bacon and sausage and baked beans. This one I have to put back in the fridge. See, I have a midi fridge, not mini fridge, but midi fridge. Put the eggs, almond milk. I have oat milk. They're okay costly, but it's okay. I need them. I put my peppermint tea here inside so that the flavor remains. And that's it. Organic blueberry. And here my oatmeal, seeds, pumpkin seeds, and goji berries, granola, my biscuits, and my salty local snacks. This is my coffee station. See, I have blender, I have kettle that has temperature display on it, mini oven or toaster, and toaster, ice, and that's it. This is where I store everything for my consumption. Look, my bed. Okay, I think I can switch off the light now because I'm just mixing the lemongrass oil and the lavender oil with a little bit of water, since it was almost finished here. So I just added lavender oil with water. Well, the mixture, just the measurement up to you, just to spray on my pillows and cushions on my bed. Alright, I'm not sure whether I could finish this for my late lunch, as it's already 3 p.m. And these are the white sweet potatoes or yellow sweet potatoes, fried egg, and avocado, and toast. I don't have sourdough bread though. Okay, let's see if I could finish. I'm struggling now, but it is light. It looks heavy, but actually it's light. The only thing is because I had very late breakfast, which was noontime, and now it's 3 p.m. and I'm having this already. So I would recommend really light together with the sweet potatoes. Couldn't finish, so I might have to just put aside. Alright guys, that's it. I think I better wrap up my video or my vlog because there is some prayer every time in the background. So it has just stopped. Hope everyone is doing well. Hope you're going to have a good week ahead. It starts already, so I have to say arrivederci to you all. Take care, be safe, and be healthy. Ciao ciao, arrivederci. Can you hear the background? Okay, ciao ciao.